Hi, it's Youcook here. Today's recipe is very simple and easy. I often make this type of soup when my children first had braces. It was easy for them to eat without chewing much due to their new braces. Asparagus soup has a great source of nutrients including fiber, folic acid, vitamin A, C, and K. When sautéed with onion, it also adds additional antioxidant for the day. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I'm going to use 1 full onion. I'm going to chop it up, dice it. Then I'm going to add the chopped onion into my pan. Then I will add 1 tablespoon of salt, a 1/4 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of thyme. Let it saute for about 2 minutes. Going to prepare my asparagus. Just chop it up to about 1 inch in length. Give it a good wash because asparagus has a lot of sands in it, so make sure you wash it well. Now add the rest of the asparagus into the pot and cook for about 15 minutes until it's nice and tender. I just want to say thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoy what you seeing right now, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. My asparagus are done. I'm going to use a blender to puree all the ingredients inside my soup. Once I obtain the consistency that I want, which is smooth, purees, and thick, using a strainer, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer all the mixture into a new pot to get rid of some unwanted residues. And I will add in my 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and bring it to boil. I also went ahead and add in my cornstarch mixture just to help thicken the soup faster. You can always add more cornstarch mixture if you like your soup to be more thickened. I also have some extra asparagus puree, so I added more to get the color I want, which is exactly how it looks right now. Garnish my soup with arugula, sour cream, paprika, and rice seasonings. The rice seasonings gives it a crunchy bite when you take a spoon of your soup. I like arugula because it has a distinctive spicy kick to my soup. If you want more spicy, you can add sriracha sauce to your soup. You cannot go wrong making this type of soup. As always, I like to serve soup before my main course. Please see my next video, Tiger Prawns Bistro Linguine. That's it for this recipe. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of my video. Don't forget to follow up with my next recipe, which is tiger prawns bistro linguine. Thank you again, and until then, bye now.